Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-01921 error in Oracle database 12c. So what I am going to do, I am going to log into the SQL Plus editor as a sysdba. Sysdba, that is DBA account I am going to log in. So DBA will have full permission to execute all the queries. Let me log in as a DBA. Yes, okay. Now what I am going to do, I am going to create one common role. I am going to create one common role. So this is the query. Create role C ## my role. Enter. Okay. You can see that ORA-01921 role name conflicts with another user or role name, which means that there is already one role name called C ## my role. So what I am going to do, I am logging as sysdba in SQL developer and I am executing this query select star from dba underscore roles. Okay, here you can see all the roles are listed, and also you can see that C ## my role is already there. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to create the new role which is the not in the database. Okay, so create role C ## my role 1. So this is a fix for ORA-01921 role name conflicts with another user or role name.